Hello friends, today we will see Lagrange's mean value theorem. In my last video, I have explained Rolle's theorem. If you have not watched that video, then go in description and first watch that video because that is going to be very useful video to you. So today we will see Lagrange's mean value theorem. It's very useful theorem. It's asked in many competitive exams. So from that exam point of view, it's very important. Let's see what Lagrange's mean value theorem says. So let f of x be defined in closed interval AB such that f of x is continuous in closed interval AB. What its first point says, function should be continuous in AB. Its second point says function should be differentiable in open interval AB. Here take care that it's open interval AB. So what is here continuous mean? Continuous mean function should be, the curve should be the smooth curve. It can be any smooth curve. And also it's differentiable, means it should not have sharp point, sharp corner. If it have sharp corner, then it will not be differentiable, so it should be differentiable. Then there exists at least one point C belongs to AB such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. So what this statement says that the derivative of the function will be f of b minus a minus f of a divided by b minus a. So let's see this by a figure. So as you can see here, this is figure. So first of all, what was the first point? It should be continuous. So we can see that the curve is a continuous and also it's differentiable. Second point was it should be differentiable. We can clearly see that it's differentiable because there is no sharp corner in between. Then this statement says that if first two conditions are satisfied, then there exists a point C. There exists a point C such that f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. What that statement was saying, f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. So what is this? How we can prove that this is like this? So we can clearly see that here is point A, here is B. So here the value of function will be f of A, here the function value will be f of B. So we can clearly see that what will be the slope at point here. What will be the slope here? We know that the formula of slope is equal to y2 minus y1 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. We know that this is the formula of slope. So here x1 is A and x2 is B, and here y2 is B and y1 is A. So by that we can write that the slope is y2 minus y1 x2 minus x1. So f dash of C is equal to f of B minus f of A upon B minus A. I hope you understood this Lagrange's mean value theorem. Its name says that's something difficult, but it's very easy. It's similar to Rolle's theorem. The only difference is of slope, in that we were having both points were same. y1 was equal to y2, so we are getting f dash of C is equal to 0 in Rolle's theorem. Hope you like this video. If you have any doubt, then let me know in the comment section given below. And also, if you like, then please do like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.